Hello everybody, my name is Trishaan R. Busuga, but you can call me Shang. Shang as in S-H-A-N-G, Shang for short, not Shanghai or what. Shang lang, Shang. Baka nagugutom ka lang, te. Shang lang, as in Shang. I know some of you are wondering why my name is spelled in that way. Kahit ako kasi nagtataka din kung bakit ganyan yung spelling ng pangalan ko. Lalo na tong huli lang, na-realize ko talaga siya. That's why I asked my tita last night about that, since siya nga yung may pakana ng pangalan ko, ng spelling, and paano niya ba ginawa yun? Hindi ko rin alam, kaya tinanong ko siya kagabi, as in kagabi lang. But anyways, my first name, which is Trisha, came from my papa's name, which is Patrick. Kinuha siya ng tita ko dun sa last part ng pangalan ni Papa na yung trick, yung T-R-I-C. Dun lang siya kinuha. While my second name, which is Dian, came from my mama's name, which is Joanne. Yung Joanne kasi ni mama is magkadugtong yun, yung Jo tsaka yung Ann. Last part lang naman ang kinuha ni tita. Pero yung Joanne niya, yung Ann ng pagkaano ni mama, wala siyang E. Sa akin lang nilagyan ng E. Sa kanya wala. At sabi pa ni tita, ginawa niya kasi gusto niya lang daw mapaarte yung spelling. Parang kahit ang common daw ng pangalan, at least yung spelling hindi. Panis, di mo kaya. Bang! My birthday is on August 6, 2004 at Jose Reyes Memorial Hospital. And I am currently live at Zone 5, Brookside, Barangay San Roque, Iriga City. Apparently, my past does influence me by the fact that it changed my whole life. There are many things that has happened in my life since my parents broke up. The traumas that I had before is really affect my studies. Not just my studies but also my whole life. Because of that, everything's changed. But still, I am here, trying my best to fulfill my dreams and prove to them that I can. Even though I have a broken family, I am still thankful kasi sa dinami-raming nangyari sa buhay ko, andito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Nakakatayo at nagagawa ko lahat ng gusto ko. My past served as my inspirations to be a better daughter as well as a sister.